Now it's time to work on the material for the velvet cushion. And we can find in the material settings that there is a velvet BSDF material. So our first attempt will be to try changing that to a kind of dark red value. But when we look at it in rendered view, preview option, it's not very impressive. We'll see what happens if we use the quick effect, quick fur. The first attempt will run straight into the problem of the object scaling affecting the density of the particles on each side. So to fix that, we need to go into Object, Apply All Transforms, and then go into Quick Effects, Quick Fur. In the Adjust Last Operation pane, you're going to need to reduce the density in the view percentage and also untick the 3 checkboxes, Apply Hair Guides, Noise and Frizz. The length will be okay, but increase the density to high. Now go over to the modifiers, increase the density in the interpolate hair curves. We'll just do a quick render. And it looks a bit thin, so we can change the radius of the fibres as well. In the material, change the colour of the fur material to a similar red. It's still a little bit flat and boring, so again, without worrying about the details, we'll just use the material nodes to add a bit of a pattern, and we can make the pattern more subtle by blending it with the solid colour. So we use a Voronoi texture and we use a mix set to colour type of mixing. Increase the factor so it's mostly a solid red, and change the type of Voronoi to a smooth F1. Again, we need to iterate a few times to get the fibre density, fibre thickness and other details.